Hi guys, this is Yash and today we will look at how to apply to M&M Financial Services rights issue. So to start off, what we'll do is we will log into this registrar's website. This is called rights.kfintech.com /Mahendra/apply again /apply.aspx. So I've given this website in description as well. So once you log in, you have option to download application form and letter of offer. You have to tick this declaration that you have accepted terms and conditions and the 3 declarations below. Once done, click proceed. Now it is asking for confirmation that you are actually a shareholder as on record date and that you hold RE and that you hold in demat form or physical as the case may be. Enter your client ID and DP ID here and PAN number. Once this is done, click submit. Now it also confirms your email ID and mobile verification, so enter your email ID and mobile number and click send OTP. This OTP process does take time. At times it takes 2 to 3 minutes, so be patient. Once you get the OTP, enter the OTP here. So I'll just wait for the OTP. Yeah, there you are. So it is the 6-digit OTP. Then I'll click validate OTP. Once done, it gives you the particulars of your shareholding. You can enter the amount of shares that you want to apply for under the rights. You can apply for more than your eligibility. You can enter your details, check your details and click pay by UPI. Now it displays your details. Click proceed to payment. Now you need to enter your UPI address, which is also called as virtual payment address, in this box. So I'll enter mine here. Once done, click make payment button. That's it. What you need to do now is to go to your UPI app on your mobile, Beam or Google Pay or whichever you are using. There will be one pop-up which shows that there is a demand for rights issue from BillDesk or so. Once you are done with that, this automatically gives you the receipt. That's it. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Indian IPO blog for more.